I just used Code to build a super cool analytics dashboard for my X account. Let me walk you through it and then I'll show you how to do it yourself. First, it's gonna visualize my follower growth over time. So I started posting regularly in June. At that time, I had about 2,000 followers, and now I have grown to over 40,000. And in this chart, I'm able to visualize my total follower growth, which the official X Analytics dashboard doesn't allow you to do. It only shows you new followers over time. And if you hover over a certain point on the line, you're able to see the exact followers and net change on that day. And I also have a few milestones like 10K, 20K, 30K, 40K. And then it's showing me my top 10 posts of all time, which actually revealed quite a few surprising insights to me because I usually post about AI and vibe coding, but when I look at the data, I realized all my top posts are actually about education and learning. So my top one post of all time was this one, which had 3.2 million views. And it's about how college students in elite schools are not being able to learn AI in school. My second best post of all time is this article, which discusses how to learn as adults in the age of AI, which got 3.1 million views. And then my number 5 post of all time is this post, which talks about how to turn Claude Code into Claude Teacher. So the recurring theme is my top posts are all about learning and education, which was something I did not expect. And then I got it to do some content analysis, like why did these posts go viral? So it talked about the patterns of my viral posts, like tension between AI promise and human anxiety. I built this show and tell, insider access narrative, and provocative one-liners. This is super valuable to me. It talks about my content market fit, and it was able to encapsulate my positioning in one line, which is the non-technical person's guide to thriving in the AI age, which is something I've thought about, but I wasn't able to verbalize it like this. And my audience is ambitious professionals who feel left behind by AI but don't want to become engineers. Most AI content is either too technical or too shallow. You occupy the middle. Practical, hands-on, and learning alongside you energy. This feels extremely accurate and is actually helping me understand myself better from an outsider's perspective, and is able to uncover some of my unique thought patterns, like the translator, the workflow inventor, the education questioner, the vibe coder philosopher. I really like this line. It says, the idea that you can build without understanding every line of code is almost spiritual for you. And then it was able to suggest some topics for my future posting, like more I built X with AI demos, expand into parenting in the AI age, and experiment with these new topics. And then it gives me some ready to tweet ideas, like personal CRM, daughter bedtime story, etc. I may or may not use these, but I think it's a good brainstorming session anyways. So now let me show you how to build this on your own. This requires you to have an X Premium account, so go to Premium, then go to Analytics, and you're gonna download 2 spreadsheets. The first one is the account overview. So first you can select the time period you want to track, for example, the past year, and then you can just click this download button. This is your first CSV. The second one is content. So go into content and then select the date range you want to track and then hit the download button here. So this is gonna give you another CSV. And then just put those CSV files in a folder and then give it to Claude Code. I had a bunch of back and forth with Claude Code, but I asked Claude to summarize everything we did into a shareable prompt. So you can literally just paste this prompt. I'm gonna paste this in the comment section, but basically I want to visualize my Twitter growth. I have 2 CSV files. Please create an interactive HTML dashboard that includes follower growth chart, top 10 posts of all time, content analysis, which includes why they went viral, content market fit, my unique thought patterns, and future topic suggestions, and ready to tweet ideas. And then you just give it your current follower count and then the date you want to start tracking. The way you can get your current follower count is just by hovering over this number. One thing to note that the official X Analytics actually does not allow you to track your total follower number over time. It only allows you to track new follows. But if you know your current followers and the new follows for every single day, you're able to calculate the total follower count and visualize it through time. So you can just leave it to Claude and it will be able to figure it out.